guys, it's Melanie. Today's video is... it's a bittersweet moment. It's good, it's bad. It's back to school season. Actually, it's not. I am hopping on this trend early, guys, because last year I was very late. And so I was like,
Melanie, you need to get on it.
August just started, but you know, you can never be too prepared, right? I personally don't start school until mid-late September, but that's because I do running start. But I know a lot of people start school pretty dang soon. If that's you, I'm really sorry. Good luck, sending my prayers over. For those of you starting school soon, this video is for you. So today's video, what other way would we start off this back to school season than with a back to school haul? At least it's not closed, right guys? Haha. This video is also a giveaway. This is actually like my first giveaway. I don't really know how these work, to be honest, so hopefully this goes well. So just keep watching to see the items that I'm giving away. Other than that, let's get into this haul. Back to school is such a weird time because it's one of my favorite times on YouTube. I absolutely love back to school videos, and it's my senior year. Ooh. I absolutely love back to school season for like fashion and YouTube stuff. Not so much for the school part, which is, you know, the main part, but who cares about that? Basically, I know it's a little confusing, but I'm one of those people, I don't really like to buy all my back to school supplies before school starts because it just doesn't make sense, because you end up buying a bunch of stuff and then you get to class and your teacher's like,
you don't need any of this, all you need is a pencil.
and then I'm just over here like,
what?
like, even if they give you a list of things you need for school, you don't end up using half of that stuff. Also, especially like with my school, they're pretty lenient. If you don't have the items, you have a few days, maybe even a week to get them. And so I'm just like chilling, you know? I'm not gonna waste my time now buying stuff, but I really like watching back to school hauls, and I'm like a loser and I absolutely love like school supplies, stationery supplies. So basically what I've been doing is like throughout the year, I always use notebooks. I pretty much use the same pens, so I kind of just reuse those every year, but I always use up like my notebooks and stuff. So just throughout the year, I would pick up like notebooks here and there whenever I see a cute one, because you know, this girl likes to go to like TJ Maxx and Marshalls. They always get me in the notebook section. So I'm just gonna show you basically all of the notebooks that I've collected throughout the year. Basically, this is like a notebook collection, but they're really cute, so keep watching. I swear, they're really adorable, okay? Oh my gosh. I literally just dropped it because I'm weak. This is what I mean by I'm a little excessive. So first off, let's get the boring ones out of the way. I have this plain one. It's purple. That's pretty fun. This is the Yubi, I think it's Yubi brand from Target. I really like this because the paper is nice. And also they like donate or something when you buy it, which is so lovely. I also have this one, which is a pretty blue color from Staples. I really like the Staples brand ones because they have really pretty colors. They also have, I'll show you. This one's also Staples brand. It's like a pretty coral color, but I used that one up this year. And then my last plain one is also from Staples, but it's a composition notebook, and it's this pretty pinky color. Love that. Personally, I'm not a fan of composition notebooks, which is weird because literally all the notebooks I'm gonna show you are pretty much composition ones, but it's okay. A notebook's a notebook. This one is like a plain cardboardy one. This is also from Staples. It's all recycled. It's good for the earth and stuff. I felt kind of a cool girl getting this a while back. Pretty awesome.
I love the earth.
Sustainability, yay. This one is also like a cardboardy cover. This is from Daiso. It's one of those thin notebooks. These little thin ones come in handy when you have one of those classes where you like kind of take notes, but then you also kind of don't, just so you fill it up. Especially since I do college courses, I take a lot of classes and they're pretty short, so I don't really need huge notebooks, or else I only use up like a third and then I feel like I'm wasting stuff. Thin ones are great. Okay, now for the fun stuff. I have this fun one. It has little cactuses on it and it's a pretty coral color. Love that. It's really adorable. I started using this one for history or something, whatever I took last quarter. I filled up like a solid 1 page. I also have this one. It says it was recycled, which is just lovely, and it just says notes on it. Isn't that
so cute?
Really love it. It also has rose gold on it, which I think is so fun. I'm gonna look like I have my shiz together because all these supplies are adorable. I have this one, which is floral. It's very springy, happy. Love the print. So this one also has a lot of paper in it, so This one, I thought it was too funny to pass up. It has bananas on it. That's a little random. Kind of reminds me of like Curious George or something. I think that's fun. It'll probably make me a little bit hungry in class. That's a-okay. Great thing about college, the professors literally couldn't give a shiz about like what type of paper or notebook you use. It's literally up to you. Not like high school where they're like,
you must have a composition notebook with exactly 123 pages.
which is great because that was just a little annoying. And then I also got this one, which I thought was so pretty. I think this one might have been from Staples, but it's just a pretty floral print. If you couldn't tell, I really like floral stuff, you know, it really gets to me. And also the like binding, whatever this stuff is called, is rose gold, which I think is kind of adorable. How cute is that? Love it. And then this last notebook, somehow we got to the end, was also quite adorable, and it just has like little banana leaves on it. Okay guys, now on to what you're probably here for, or maybe not. Maybe you just wanted to hear me talk about notebooks for a solid 12 minutes, but if not, we're at the giveaway point of the video. So basically, keep it short, what you have to do to win this giveaway, and I will be checking, so don't lie to me or else
I'll come for you.
you have to be subscribed to this YouTube channel here that you're watching right now. Watch this video, which you're already watching now, so like, yeah, give it a thumbs up. Drop a comment here if you want to be friendly, you know, I would appreciate that. And then head on over to my Instagram, or you're gonna want to follow me. It's at Melanie_Locke, and then I'm gonna have a photo for this giveaway, and I want you to hop on that photo and tag 3 friends. Make sure to be following my Instagram as well, and I will be choosing the winner in 2 weeks from the upload date. I'll have that all in the description, and I will be announcing the winner on Instagram, and it will be updated in the description of this video if you want to check back here. I will also be messaging them via Instagram, so just to make sure, you know, don't get tricked by anyone. If you get like a sketchy email or something, it's not me, okay? So now let's get
into the item.
First off, as you saw in the photo, I will be giving away this Konkin Kankin Frijol Robin Konkin Kankin. Very cute. Yeah, why did I just say that? Okay, so everybody has this. It's actually the most spacious backpack ever. Like, it can fit a laptop, it can fit a binder, and like 6 notebooks. Pretty rad. Even if you don't use this for school, it is super durable and great to use for like any other function, you know. Maybe you just want to have it as room decor or take cute photos of it, yeah, whatnot. I won't judge you, but this is a great school essential, you know, if you want to be like a little hip girl. So yeah, and I also had you guys vote on the color. So this is the color Fog, which is like kind of a gray, greenish gray. I had you guys vote on the color, and this is what you guys chose. And if you want to be a part of like that voting process, that's all on my Instagram, so follow me there. Yeah, so that's the main big thing. And then to go along with that, I just got you a couple school supplies because everyone's stuff is different. I just got you some basic. First off, I got you this notebook. This is from TJ Maxx, and it has little fern designs, and it's like turquoisey and really, really pretty, and it also has like gold on it. Nice little composition notebook that I figured anyone could use, even if you don't use it for school. It'll come in handy somehow. You could like start a diary or something. And then I also got you a planner for the 2019 to 2020 school year, or year. Yeah, this is what it looks like. It has a very pretty pink florally print. TJ Maxx also has like great planners. I definitely recommend getting a planner for the school year. It will be a
lifesaver,
let me tell you. So I got you guys this one. My planner is actually from TJ Maxx also, and I use it all the time. Super helpful. And then the last things that I got you guys are just some pens. I got you these Pilot G2 pens, and it has like all of the colors, which is so cool. I actually don't have these, but I kind of really want them because these are like my favorite pens, or some of them. They're super smooth and cool. I honestly didn't even know it came in all these colors. I'm a little bit jealous, but I hope you guys enjoy these. You better take some pretty freaking cute notes with these guys. They're pretty awesome. And then the last thing I got are just some highlighters for you, and these are the mild liners. Oh, by the way, these are from Target if you're wondering. And then I got these off of Amazon. They also sell them at like Joann's and Michael's, but these are like my favorite highlighters, so I just got you the basic highlighter color set. I don't know, they're my faves because they have a thick side and a thin side, and they're just really aesthetic to look at, and they work really well. So yeah, if you guys want to win these goodies, make sure to follow the rules. I'll have it all written, typed out in the description below. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video and supporting me. I hope that you guys have a wonderful rest of your summer, and I hope you're looking forward to this back to school season. I hope you're excited for it like I am. Yeah, that wasn't sarcastic at all. Okay, yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Let me know what other back to school videos you want to see, and I'll make sure to, you know, get them in the works. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys.